Mastering debate. Understand speech timings and order. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're diving deep into the structure of debates. We'll focus on a very important aspect: speech timings and order. Understanding this component is crucial to excel in any debate format. So, let's get started. The timing and order of speeches play a pivotal role in debates. They dictate the flow and progression of arguments, and ensure that each participant gets an equal chance to present and counter arguments. Incorrectly adhering to these aspects can lead to an unstructured debate, which isn't desirable for either the participants or the audience. Hence, understanding the structure is paramount. Debate speech timings can vary significantly depending on the debate format. However, most formats adhere to some common timing standards. In many forms of competitive debate, such as policy debate or Lincoln-Douglas debate, speeches usually range from 1 minute, for administrative speeches like thank yous, up to 8 to 10 minutes for main argument presentations. Participants must strictly adhere to these timings to ensure fair competition. Just like timings, the order of speeches is also predefined in debates. Typically, a debate starts with the affirmative side presenting their arguments, followed by the negative side. After the initial presentations, there are rebuttals where each side gets the opportunity to counter the other's arguments. The order and timings of these speeches can differ based on the type of debate, but the general structure remains the same. Now that you understand the basics of speech timings and order in debates, it's time to put that knowledge into practice. Practicing within set timings and following the debate order will help you prepare for real debate situations. It's important to practice not just the delivery of your speech, but also the timing. Try setting a timer while you practice and aim to complete your speech within the specified time. And that's a wrap on speech timings and order in debates. Remember, mastering these aspects of debate is just as important as constructing persuasive arguments. Practice, patience, and precision are your key tools in this learning journey. I hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy learning!